Are you looking for the best of machines? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best of machines that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wonder Core Sub Machine. The Wonder Core Smart provides an impressive range of targeted core movements that effectively isolate the working muscle group. The dual resistance effectively doubles the effectiveness of each repetition. However, this unit is quite a bit more expensive than competing brands. The Wonder Core Smart is an ab training device that looks somewhat similar to an ab crunch frame. It provides a spring-loaded dual resistance system, which gives you resistance throughout both the positive, up, and negative, down, part of an exercise. The machine offers you 8 different workout options. The resistance level is adjustable, 24 to 48 pounds, to accommodate beginner, intermediate, and advanced trainers. The Wonder Core Smart is a lightweight unit that is well constructed but not overly sturdy. It will accommodate people up to a weight of 260 pounds. The unit comes fully assembled and can be folded up for ease of storage. Number 2. Circle Pro Machine. The Circle Pro effectively targets the ab muscles for an effective workout. However, it will not do a lot to burn off body fat. Combine your workouts with regular aerobic exercise and you will see results. The Circle Pro is a large disc-like unit that you sit upon and rotate. It features handles and knee pads for comfortable positioning. The machine is supposed to provide an ab workout and a cardio workout at the same time. However, the limited range of motion will not provide you with enough of a calorie burn to constitute a serious cardiovascular workout. There is no back support with this device. People with a pre-existing back condition may experience discomfort. The Circle Pro offers 3 resistance levels, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The unit folds up for easy storage when not in use. The Circle Pro is constructed from robust materials and feels secure and you sit upon it. It has a maximum user weight of 275 pounds. Number 3. CoreMax Sub Machine. If you are interested in the Wonder Core Sub Machine, then the CoreMax Sub Machine is also worth your attention. This piece of exercise equipment enables better core strength with an 8-minute workout per day. The idea is that you do 8 different minute-long exercises in a row for one outstanding result. The CoreMax lets you work out your entire body with an emphasis on your core. Each mini-workout hits a different part of the body as you build toward rock-hard abs. It also comes with 3 resistance levels so that you can toggle the difficulty based on your current fitness level. The key behind the CoreMax Sub Machine is the dual-action resistance. This power assistance rebound system provides various levels of resistance and support during the workout. Based on the exercise, you can maximize your results while reducing the strain on your joints. As a bonus, you will get the CoreMax nutritional guide, digital download workout videos, and a workout chart. With these bonuses, you can stay on top of your exercise program and visualize your progress. Number 4. FitLayer Fitness Sub Machine. Fans of adjustable decline ab bench options have a winner with the FitLayer Fitness AB 9300 ab machine. The tool provides consistent and stable crunches that work different sections of your abdominals. Depending on your direction and pose, you can also work out your legs and arms. While the FitLayer Fitness AB 9300 core and abdominal trainer is slender, the frame is sturdy. The steel construction can support up to 220 pounds. There are also non-slip pads on the bottom to ensure minimal noise during use and 0 floor scratches. The thing that sets the FitLayer Fitness AB 9300 core and abdominal trainer apart from its competition is the display screen at its top. There you can see your calories burned, elapsed time, and the amount of movement per minute. You can also alter the resistance levels for your desired intensity and results. The quality of your workout has no limits outside of the imagination. You can do leg lifts, dorsal muscle toning, thigh exercises, and leg bends. Each activity provides the incisive workout that you need to be the fittest version of yourself. Plus, when you finish, the FitLayer Fitness AB 9300 core and abdominal trainer folds flat for convenient storage. Number 5. FitLayer Fitness Sub Crunch Machine. With a steel curve track design that allows more muscles to be used, this ab crunch machine helps you to increase your ab/core workout intensity. The FitLayer Fitness ab crunch machine has a heavy-duty steel structure for long-term durability. High-density foam-covered hand grips and a high-quality knee cushion provide a long-lasting and comfortable workout. The maximum weight capacity is 440 pounds. In 4 distinct types of training, the height levels may be changed to accommodate varied demands, focusing on the thigh, hip, and abdominal muscles for a more efficient workout. It's considerably easy to put together with clear and concise instructions. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.